Fitment Industries. I ordered my coilovers and my rims from there. The rims came mounted, balanced, everything. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing now. I'm very excited to see how they look versus just looking at a picture. And I can't wait to put them on the car to see how they look on the car. So here we go. They come packaged on a crate, just in case you're wondering what they come in, what they look like when they come in from Fitment Industries. For the price I paid for the rims and the tires, I think I got a good deal. I ended up getting 225/40s R18 tires. I got Ventus V2 Hankook. They're a little stretched, which is what I was looking for, but I didn't want a low profile tire either. I didn't want it really, really low, so I ended up going with 225/40 R18s. The rims are 18s by 9.5s with an offset of, I believe it was 22. So I ordered pretty much everything I could that I could get with from online, but here we go. They're stacked on top of each other face down. It has a nice big piece of foam here, so it won't ruin the front end of the rim. So let's see what we got here. And that's what we got. I'm actually happy. I like the way it looks. It's pretty nice. They're bronze. It has a nice machine lip. Definitely, I thought this color was gonna be different. It looks different a little bit. In the pictures, it looks a little bit brighter. This is a bit darker, but I'm happy with them. Let's just check them all out, make sure they all come nice and not dinged up or anything like that. They look good, yeah? Just a little bit of glue or something. Here we go. The rims do come mounted and balanced, so they mount the tires for you. They balance them, they put in the sensors for the brakes. Everything's all, they do it all. So that's why I was like, you know what, I'd rather just let them do it and don't even hassle with anything like that. And they do it like that. See, they even wrap on top of the next one so that you don't get any scratches on the back of the rim as well, which is even better. Even better, because when you think about it, when you buy something brand new, you want it like that. I don't want to see no scratches or anything on my stuff. I also ordered the lug nuts, so they should be somewhere in here. Another one. Everything looks good. No scratches. I would have to say so far, for them mounting them and balancing them and doing everything they do, I don't see nothing wrong with this top rim at all. I don't see no scratches or anything, and usually it's hard for them not to scratch it. A little bit of glue, but no scratches, none whatsoever. And on the last one, I'll show you the thickness of it and how it looks up close. The stretch on the tire is not a huge stretch. You know, it still has meat on it. You know, it's not a crazy low profile tire. I don't really like low profile tires because it basically looks like the car's on the rim only. Especially when the tire starts to wear, it doesn't look right. Doesn't look right. So I don't really like that look. I like the look, especially on a Subaru WRX. It looks much better when the car has meat on it, you know. So the packaging is really good. They do the packaging very well. I do like how they package this. I give them 2 thumbs up for that. They put the lug nuts and everything I need for the rims on the bottom. I'm just checking them from scratches real quick. I don't see nothing crazy. Pick this up. This is the rim. Right? I want you guys to see a couple of views here. These are directional tires, so they go only one way. I didn't want to buy expensive tires because of the fact that on 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, if you mess one up, you gotta replace them all. So why buy a $300 tire? You're just gonna end up replacing $300 tires if you know, blow one or something happens. Let me give you a look real quick. So this is the overview of it from the top. Got a little minor stretch there. It's not a huge stretch. And as far as how it looks from the side, the tire, it's not a lot. It's not very teeny little bit of tire. It's not really low, but it has some meat on it. So let's see how it looks on the car. Little teaser here. Here we go. Well, there you go. What do you think of that? I think it makes the car look really, really good. It's actually poking out a bit. The rim shouldn't be poking out that much. When I drop the car, it's gonna go in a little bit more, but that's what we're looking at. So a little poke. We'll see when we actually tighten everything up, bring it down, then we'll know for sure what it's gonna look like. For now, let's leave it like that. So what else we got here? You get your valve caps. You get 4 of those. You get your hub-centric rims. No, actually, wait. You get your. These are AODHANs, by the way. AODHANs rims. These are the center caps. So this is basically a sticker from Fitment Industries. A thank you letter, I believe. To whom it may concern, we're stoked to be a part of customization of your vehicle. As a thank you, we've included an 8-inch Fitment Industry decal. So the Fitment Industry decal. And lastly, I don't know if the car needs hub-centric rings. I don't know if they need them at all, but so basically I bought lock nuts for the rims. And here's your key for the lug nuts. So you can pretty much buy everything online, and they'll send it right to your door. They actually brought it right to inside my garage. They dropped it off right there. And I guess that's it, boys and girls. I hope you like that unboxing. Can't wait to put them on the car. Can't wait to drop the car. I bought the suspension and the rims in the same spot, Fitment Industries. Thank you for sending my rims untouched or unscratched. That's like the first time that I get rims that aren't scratched from brand new. Anyways, you did a good job packaging. Shipment from Illinois, I believe it's from Illinois, all the way to Massachusetts. Yeah, North Lake, Illinois. They went a long way. Not one scratch on them. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A lot more coming.